How many bricks? How many bricks in hour?
In 1 hour. About 7,000. 20,000.
How about mine? This
So,
one. And the day. Okay, good.
Có cái tự chỉ nào đi bạn? Two. See our customer come to our factory to test
this is
loading.
me. I am very glad. I am
happy?
very happy. I'm from Guinea, West Africa.
Yes.
And I thanks Isaac. He did a good job for me. I have my load is ready. It's going to my country. I came, everything is okay. He did an excellent job for me. I deeply recommend him for anyone who want to buy this machine. Harry machine are the good one here. Good customer service. I'm telling you, it's a good customer service. So I hope you will be enjoying those machines. It's going to Guinea, Conakry, West Africa. I'm telling you that, please don't hesitate to buy it.
Okay.
I came from there all the way to here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So how are you feeling, Mr. Ked?
I am very happy, young man. I am really, really happy, honestly happy, because you did a good job for me.
Yeah, it's our pleasure.
You did a good job, everything, and you went behind your job.
Yeah.
Because I asked you for something else. For example, a bicycle, you helped me get those bicycles. And you are helping me for other things. I didn't know this is not your job, but anyway, you helped me, so I'm happy for that. I thank you so much again one more time.
You're welcome, sir.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
The loading is finished.
Loading is finished, everything is ready.
We are so glad and pleased to welcome Mr. Seko, who is from Guinea, and also he worked in US America to come to China to visit our company. And this gentleman here is Mr. Seko. Hey, Mr. Seko, good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm very glad to come to the China because first of all, my name, as you said, my name is Seko.
Yeah.
I am from Guinea, West Africa, Guinea Conakry, because you know there is 2 or 3 Guinea in the world.
Yeah.
So my country is Guinea Conakry.
Yeah, yeah.
So we speak French.
Yeah.
So I have been in America for 15 years. That's the reason why I speak English.
Wow.
If not, I want to be able to speak English because in my country we speak French.
Yeah.
That's the reason why sometimes I may be adding French on my speaking.
Mm-hmm.
So to be directly on your question is, on the beginning I was not I was skeptical. I was skeptical to come do business with you guys. And the reason why is because I don't know you.
Right.
I don't know you, and I was interested by your product. It was a good product. I saw it online. I was excited. The price was good, and also people with whom I was exchanging was very professional.
Thank you.
That interested me, and I was saying it's very important to go do business with you. So that's the first reason. And finally, I said, okay, anyway, I will come and meet you because I already paid everything. I paid the 30%.
Yeah.
After paying the 30% that are required, before loading, I have to pay the 70%.
Yeah, at the beginning you finish the deposit of 30% of
Yes.
the total amount.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
When I finished to deposit that, I wanted even to say, okay, you know, guys, I deposit 30%. I wanted you guys to send me all the material so that I will pay the remaining when I will get the material.
Yeah.
And you say, no, you have to pay everything because for us to be able to load your material, we need to have everything. I was really skeptical, to be honest.
Yeah.
I said, what is the proof that if I pay that one, I will receive my merchandise? And I know for sure every customer will ask himself, if I pay you guys, how can I get my product?
Yes.
So
that is for most of the customer who would worry about this issue.
Exactly, they were worried, and it's in the same case.
It's so far, you live in Africa, some people
Exactly.
live in South America.
Exactly.
If they paid only 30%, and also that will give the risk, for them to do the international
Yes.
payment.
Yes, and that's the reason why I said okay, and the reason why I paid the 30% is because of the product.
Yeah.
The product is excellent, and you guys are not focusing on the price.
Mm-hmm.
All the time asking the price, give me the price. And I said, no, wait. Let's see what you want first. If I can satisfy you on your need, what you want, the kind of brick you want, the kind of mold you want, the kind of block machine you want, then we will talk about price. I was very impressed, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
I was very impressed. Then finally, I saw the product and I exchanged with you guys.
Yeah.
And you show me the product. I was happy, and I decided myself to come and see the place, meet with you, and make sure that what you are saying it is the same.
Yeah.
So I came, and I was very happy. Everything was okay.
Thank you.
I was really happy because the product I found and the company where you make me visit the company, I was impressed. People are customer service oriented. That means first customer. That means you are working the first to make me happy, to make your customers happy. And that's the reason why today I accepted to do this proof for you guys, for every customer who want to do business with machinery, handling machinery. Don't hesitate to do it. You can do it without any concern. I am from Guinea, I am not Chinese, and I give you that confidence. You can do business with them. They are very good in business, and also they go beyond their business, because when I came to China, I had in mind to have those other opportunities. For example, buying some other things, going look for other product, and Mr. Isaac here took all his time to help me do all my business. That does not mean everyone who comes, he will do it. It's very important.
Yeah,
that was
you're
really
right.
special.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
special.
that's very special. It's not because he's going to do it for everyone. That's very important to say, because if not, people will say, okay, you did it for Sekou, why don't you do it for me? You know, but
I know.
really special case. Okay.
And also, actually speaking, it's like a friendship.
Exactly.
Sometimes there must be sometimes and some moment you will meet some guys which is you have to meet.
Absolutely.
So like Mr. Seko is the guy, is the people who I would like to make friends with him.
Yep.
And also how to say, it's very good at communication and communicate with each other.
Yep.
And the time I stayed with Mr. Seko, it gave me very comfortable
Thank
times.
Thank you.
And it's very easy for me to stay with him and communicate and stay and check around and talk anything. It will never give me some headache or some trouble and difficulty. Even for me, I would like to try my best to do some support or some help for him. But all the time she's feeling she's giving me some difficult. No, it's not giving me some difficult, because that is what I want to do. That is what I really want to do for him. It's only for it's in the real mind.
Okay.
That is what I want to see.
Thank you so much, and I appreciate that. And mostly what I appreciate is the machine. The machine, the block machine you gave me. When I check the machine, is a really good machine. This is very important for customer to know. It's a guarantee machine. That means you don't have to worry about this is breaking or this is breaking. What I saw on my eyes, the mold that you show me,
the block mold,
because I bought 5 or 6 kind of mold.
Oh, there's accident. Not accident. It's a good accident.
Okay.
That means the time you see the previous mold, which is not ordered before at the beginning. Just let us know, okay, add this mold, right?
Yep.
Add this cobblestone mold.
Yeah, because
it's good luck.
Yeah, because when I came, I saw that one working. I said, wow, I need this one additional. I paid immediately. From my pocket.
From my pocket, just to give us the cash.
I give you the cash, and that's supposed to be going through my bank.
Yeah.
But I was so excited and I was so interested on that mold that I paid cash around 800 plus other part, and I paid immediately. And you too take it because it was for other customers, and I was very glad for that. You take it for other customers. You understand that? Take the mold, but they ask first the customer saying, okay, can you allow us to take your mold because this one is in a hurry to load it on the container? And the customer say, yes, you go ahead. They give it to him and replace it. I was so glad for that, and thank you. I appreciate that one, because everything I came here to see was to prepare in the future. I need more machine. I'm small as 424 I bought, right? 24. I will need 30. I need the bigger one and a bigger one. As I told you, I need 6 different machines now for different cities in my country. So I will order those machines. Since I came, I ordered those machines so that I will send them. It is very important. You understand for me? So go ahead.
Yeah, but actually speaking, at my point, I don't want to push you to buy so many block machines at one time. That means at the beginning.
No,
because like
one by one. I did one.
Someone who is the new to do this block production business. At the beginning, they will just take try. And after you get used to use the block machine and get to more information about how to manage a block factory, and how to prepare the material for produce blocks, and after maybe 3 months or half year,
6 months,
6 months, exactly, 6 months, you will get to know how to manage a block factory, and how to know how to get the profit from this block production successfully.
And then you can add one more.
You can enlarge more.
Yes, that's right.
Try to set up different block factory at different cities or different area. Try to enlarge your business. That will be, I think, will be more risk for you to do business.
That's a good advice. That's a good advice for all customers. And I am planning to buy not immediately, but in the long run.
Yeah.
That in the future, I told you in the future,
Yeah.
might use this one for 6 months, maximum 6 months, if it's work well, and I have customers, large customers, because I already started to do it manually. People are doing it for me manually. So now that I have,
you mean the blocks?
no, the machine, the bricks.
The bricks, okay.
It's manually, boom, with mold by hand.
With
Now those people are going to work with the machine. If the customer are good, I will add those machines. You understand that?
Yeah.
So what I can say, thank you so much. I appreciate everything, and I appreciate coming to Guinea in China. I am in China right now in Guinea.
Yeah.
I am not somewhere else. I am in Guinea where Henry factory is. I went to visit the factory, and I'm very happy. Thank you so much. And what I can add, sir, what is very important, because people who will watch this one,
Yeah,
if they don't understand English, they won't understand what I am saying.
Yeah.
So please let me add a few words in French.
Wow, because it's good.
Because French is my language, and you have customers all around Africa, and Africa is not just English. You have French also.
Yeah, like Senegal,
Exactly.
Congo, like
Those
Guinea.
countries, they want to hear what I am saying in
Yeah.
French.
Wow.
Donc, voilà ce que je voulais dire, c'est que cette compagnie,
Okay.
j'ai été très satisfait, en toute honnêteté. J'étais très sceptique au début, très sceptique, parce que tout simplement, j'avais peur d'investir mon argent et investir tout ce que j'avais, presque près de 50 000, plus de 50 000 dollars, et que je n'ai pas de suite, ou je n'ai pas une raison de croire que ce que je fais est raisonnable. Bien que j'ai eu toutes les preuves à l'Internet que c'est une société qui est très sérieuse, mais j'avais toujours des doutes. Donc il a fallu que je me déplace pour venir voir de moi-même. Mais j'ai été très satisfait de tout ce que j'ai vu. Une satisfaction totale. L'accueil a été très chaleureux. Les machines ont été, je les ai vues. On a pratiqué les machines devant moi. Toute la machine que j'ai achetée, on l'a pratiquée devant moi. Et on l'a mis encore dans le conteneur devant moi. J'ai tout visualisé. Ça veut dire tout simplement que cette société Henry Machinery, elle est sérieuse, elle est excellente. Donc quiconque veut réellement faire business avec eux est libre de le faire sans hésitation. En tout cas, je le témoigne en toute liberté, en toute sincérité, je le témoigne. Ils sont très sérieux avec tous ceux qui sont venus, et tout ce que j'ai vu avec eux, c'est du sérieux. En dehors de ça, ils m'ont encore servi, mais ça c'est autre chose. Donc je tenais quand même à faire ce témoignage pour vraiment encourager ceux qui sont sceptiques, pour encourager ceux qui veulent faire des briques, de toutes sortes de briques, hein, des moules de toutes sortes, ils en ont ici. Je vous remercie. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah.